Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review of Hapa Kristin, which if you don't know is a contact lens brand from Korea. It was so nice of them to send me some of their contacts to try out, so I thought it'd be perfect to review them for you guys in case you might be curious about colored contacts or just specifically about Hapa Kristin. They sent the contacts in this cherry blossom kit. I think this one is limited edition. The packaging of their products is so adorable. I chose 4 different colors. They are, I'm going to list them on the screen somewhere. They are Micdrop Hazel, Micdrop Green, Love Me Brown, and Cheerful Green. As you guys can probably tell, I went for a lot of brown or green contacts, and the reason is I wanted very natural looking contacts that you can wear on a day-to-day basis, and just colors that are very natural for dark brown eyes. I feel like I've been talking for a while. Let's just go ahead and get started. So first of all, I just wanted to show you guys the packaging for this kit. Basically, when you open it, it flips up into this 3D sort of thing, and this really reminds me of those like children's like pop-up books, if you know what I mean. It's so colorful and spring themed. I love it. And then when you flip up this layer, this is where all your contacts are. So these are the 4 colors that I got. They all come in these cute little boxes, and they actually send you contact lens solution as well, which is so nice of them. I already started using the blue one, so that's why like the plastic thing is not on it. But I like that they're small because then you can like use it when you're traveling or something. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands and put in the first pair of contacts. Also, just realized that I probably should have just gone with falsies instead of mascara, because with putting all of these different contacts in and taking them out, my mascara is probably gonna run all over the place. So just a heads up, that might happen, but too late now, I guess. Real quick, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of my eyes without contacts. That way you can get an idea of what my natural eye color is and just how much of a difference the colored contacts makes. Alright, so first I'm trying on Micdrop Hazel. So I just put 1 lens in for Micdrop Hazel. It is such a beautiful light brown color. If you didn't know, in colored contacts they have this thing called the limbo ring, which is the ring on the outer part of your contacts, and usually the thicker it is, the less natural your eyes look, because then there's this dark ring around it. But what it does is basically enlarges your eyes and makes it look like your iris is a lot bigger. For these contacts, they don't have the limbo ring. The color is only concentrated at the very center, and it kind of has this starburst sort of effect where it just kind of flares out from the center. And so when you put the contacts in, it only changes the color near the center of your iris, which makes your eye color look super natural. It isn't too dramatic. It doesn't give you like vampire eyes, but it does add a little bit of lightness. So yeah, I definitely really love this color. It's definitely more of a warm amber brown, I would say. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in and give you guys a close-up of what it looks like. Normally I like to put in my contacts before I do my makeup, because if you do it after, you have to be really careful about not letting the contact lens touch your mascara. But so far, so good. Okay, so quick update. I had to take this lens out and put it back in because I realized I put the contacts in the wrong way. The contact lens was like flipped inside out. So while I was wearing it, I realized it was a little bit uncomfortable, but now I fixed it and it feels so much better. So I was just dumb and didn't notice. But anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what the color looks like. And this is what it looks like from a distance. I feel like people would think these are just your real eye color because it definitely is such a natural brown. Alright, so I just put one of them in. I used to be kind of hesitant to try green contacts because I always thought that green would look super unnatural, especially for me because green is obviously not a natural eye color that I would have. But to be honest, I feel like in person these almost look more natural than the Micdrop Hazel. The Micdrop Hazel really brightens up your eyes, but these just add a little like tint of green, and it still is a pretty subtle change. If you have dark brown eyes like me, I find that these blend in super well with your natural eye color. There's not any like sudden harsh change from the green to the brown. I just went ahead and put the other one in. Here is a close-up of Micdrop Green. This is maybe one of the prettiest colors I've tried. They are super flattering, especially if you have dark eyes. I'm super impressed with these. These are such a gorgeous green color. Some contacts, when you wear them and you're looking around, the contacts will shift in your eyes, and then it's just really obvious that you're wearing contacts. So with these, when I'm looking around, you can't really tell that I'm wearing contacts, which is really cool. This pair of contacts actually has a little bit of an enlarging effect. I don't know how much you guys can tell, but the diameter of these are a little bit bigger, so it makes your iris look a little bit bigger. I've always been super hesitant to try contacts that kind of enlarge your eyes because I feel like a lot of those don't look very natural. I was really surprised because these actually are my favorite out of all of them. The enlarging effect isn't too dramatic, it still looks very natural. Out of all of the colors that I got, these are the darkest, and I love that this brown color actually has little flecks of hazily green in them. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in. My eyes are a little bit watery right now from putting in and taking out all of these contacts, but yeah, this is what it looks like up close with both of them in. I actually wore these to school for the past 2 days and nobody noticed that I was wearing contacts. They do add a little something to my eyes, but you know, they're super natural and definitely something that I could wear on a day-to-day basis. I've tried a lot of different brands like Solotica, TTDI, a lot of different Korean brands as well, and I find that these are definitely one of the most comfortable brands that I've tried. Since I was going to school, I wore these for like 7 to 8 hours and I've had no problems. I honestly forget that they're in my eyes sometimes. I'm probably going to be wearing these all the time now. This is Cheerful Kristin in the green color, and out of all of them, I think either these or the hazel color are the brightest. And because these are pretty light green, I would say that they are probably the least natural, but it definitely is a really pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in. Kind of looks like I'm crying. My eyes are kind of watery from putting them in, but this is what it looks like with both of the lenses in. I definitely really like the way these look when you're taking a photo or video. Personally, I wouldn't wear this on an everyday basis though, because they are pretty noticeable and like more of a dramatic change, which isn't really what I'm going for. But if you are looking for something that is a little bit more dramatic, a little more striking, this is definitely a really good color to go for. And this is what it looks like when you're standing a little bit farther. So yeah, I really love these. So pretty, and it's super comfortable just like all of the other ones. Alright, so I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you again to Hapa Kristin for sending me these contacts. I really am so impressed with them and I am super excited to start wearing them. I do have a discount code for you guys. I'm going to put it on the screen somewhere and also in the description box. And if you guys want to, you can follow my Instagram. I will be posting more pictures with these contacts on there. As you all know, I love trying out new products and recommending the ones I like to you guys. So if you are interested in colored contacts or Hapa Kristin, hopefully this video was helpful. I do have another contact lens review coming up, so make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.